Hi Kickstarters, we're a team of engineers with more than 10 years of experience in optical electronics. We're excited to introduce to you ODiN, the intuitive, responsive, easy-to-use laser projection mouse. Please help us bring this cool, innovative mouse to the world. ODiN is the god of war in Norse mythology. Flashing out laser projection, ODiN points out the clear, exact sensing area for you. The infrared sensors capture reflection signals and deliver high resolution. Easily portable, the pocket-sized ODiN weighs only 40 grams. It's way smaller than a regular mouse and even more easy to use. Designers, gamers, office workers, let your wrist hurt no more. Simply connect the mouse to a USB port on your computer or laptop and you're good to go. We've been working on the intuitive and responsive mouse to enable smoother user experiences. We need you to be part of this cool project. Now let's bring ODiN to life.
Not cool.
CUJO is a smart firewall that secures all devices connected to your Wi-Fi router.
Safeguard your home with CUJO, one device that protects you against hacks, viruses, and malware.
Besides keeping hackers out, CUJO also lets you control what your children can access online on any of their devices. And it's simple to use. Just connect CUJO to your router and install the app on your phone.
It learns how the devices in your home behave using machine learning. When something's wrong, it automatically blocks the threat.
Since I started using CUJO, I finally feel relaxed. I'm no longer worried about some criminal hacking into my computer, my iPad.
It's really comforting to know that I can just plug in CUJO and start protecting my family immediately.
I like CUJO because it's easy. I have the peace of mind that not only am I protected, but anyone that uses a new connected device in my apartment is protected.
So your connected life is protected. Get CUJO now.
Introducing the NFC Ring, wearable technology that can be used to unlock doors and mobile phones, transfer information, link people, and much more. If you've not heard of NFC, it stands for Near Field Communication, a wireless technology that can transfer data over very short distances. Built into the ring are two tiny transmitters, one for public information, the other for private data. That's all. No batteries, no need for charging, no fuss. Just a low-profile ring that can be worn all the time to help perform everyday tasks simply by touching your hand against an NFC-enabled device. So, what can it do? It can unlock your NFC-enabled phone without the need to enter a PIN or even touch the screen. Grab yourself an NFC door lock and it can lock and unlock your door. Use it to share information, Wi-Fi passwords, links to websites or photos, contact information or anything else you think is suitable to be shared with your friends' devices. It can be set to hold your public Bitcoin address, for example, so you can receive payments. Or you could use the NFC ring to automatically launch apps with custom settings, making it a really easy way to personalize app experiences to match your ring. On top of all that, the software we've developed is open source, so you're free to invent your own uses and create applications to have it act however you want. This is just the beginning. We've got big plans for the NFC ring, and we believe that this tiny piece of wearable technology can make a big difference. Thanks for watching, and thank you for your support.
The Sonic Alert SBS 550 alarm clock, also known as the Skull, with Super Shaker Bone Crusher Bed Vibrator, adds a terrifying edge to your wake-up routine. Designed to provide years of use, this quality-made alarm clock offers peace of mind for those who are hard of hearing or hard to wake. The Skull offers many features, such as unique 113 decibel extra loud alarm with adjustable tone and volume control, built-in red flashing alert lights even in the eye sockets, a 5-level dimmer function to help you sleep sounder, the 12-volt Bone Crusher bed vibrating unit with strength control to wake you silently while others sleep. Input jack for personal media, MP3, or smartphone to play tunes through the clock speaker. Dual time 12 and 24-hour time formats. User selectable snooze time from 1 to 30 minutes. User selectable alarm duration from 1 to 59 minutes. Alarm and bed shaker test mode to test functions anytime. Improved battery backup for time and alarm settings up to 1 week. New green power technology uses 60% less energy. Dual power capability when using a standard travel adapter. 1 year Sonic Alert blast-proof warranty. Sleep well with the confidence of knowing you'll wake up on time.